So come give me all of that shit. I said, best believe. Hopefully this video doesn't get copyrighted. Let me turn this down. It is so hot. Okay, it is official. I am going to dye my hair. I'm like so nervous. Like, I can't even describe to you like the level of anxiety I feel right now, but I figured I would vlog and kind of like take you guys with me because I'm sure you guys would like to know or kind of see the process. The hair salon that I'm going to is called Posh Hair Salon. I've never been, but I've heard really good things about it. I've read really good reviews, and the service is supposed to be like exceptional, so I have really high expectations, but sometimes isn't a good thing because sometimes I just end up fucking myself. But yeah, by the way, we're just gonna like disregard this nail for this entire video. I was washing my car yesterday and it just like lifted and the whole thing fell off and broke, so I need to go get that fixed. I'm actually really early. It's like a little after 1 o'clock. My appointment is at 2, and then after I'm gonna go meet up with an old friend of mine that I went to high school with. Actually, I don't really talk to anyone from high school, not because I don't want to, but just because like life, you know, happens and you get busy and things like that. The only thing I don't like about this place thus far is that there's no parking, and that area parking is like a bitch, so that's why I'm leaving kind of early. And by the way, for those of you guys who don't know, I wear glasses because I'm a blind bat. I only wear them when I have to drive because I can't see shit. So I think this place is like maybe 20 minutes away from me, which I appreciate, but again, the parking situation just kind of sucks. Alright, just found parking. Hopefully I am okay here, but it should be fine. It's a little bit of a walk, not really, maybe like a block and a half. Oh, it's like really dark, but hopefully we're good and we can vlog inside. I'm so nervous. Alright, let's go.
There's no one I can turn to, and I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on.
Okay guys, wait, I need to get in the sun. You can kind of see it. It literally honestly looks the same. Just kind of walking to my car here, but I love it. I cannot begin to describe like what that service was like. It was honestly so good. I swear to God, if like a bird poops on my head, I would just die. I would probably have that luck though. Okay, this lighting is a little bit better. I feel like you can't really tell on camera what a difference. It's not like a massive change or anything, but she did dye the entire head a very like dark chocolate brown, and it has a little hint of red. It looks really dark, and again, not a big change, but she did say that it is going to, oh, sorry, my hand is shaking, that it is going to lighten after a couple of washes. So I'm hoping it does, because I honestly wanted it to be a little bit more chocolate brown, but it kind of still looks black on camera, but it definitely is not like completely black. So yeah, I'm hoping within like a couple of washes it gets like a little bit lighter. So I will definitely update you guys at some point, because I'm going to be making videos and you'll see it. But yeah, I really like it. I cannot begin to tell you guys, like, I'm so happy that I went there, and like the service is just out of the world. Because when you call, first of all, and you make an appointment, it's not like, oh hey, how can we help you? It's like, hey, how can we please you? And it's like little things like that is really nice. They offer you like coffee, mimosa, water, whatever you want. And like the hairstylist really listened to what I was saying and what I wanted. And you know, she was honestly like, I'm gonna have to bleach your hair. And I was like I don't want it. I didn't want to bleach my hair because I don't want it to get damaged. And she was like, okay, no problem, you know, like, I'm just going to dye the hair with the color. Let's see how it goes. And she, again, hopefully it does lighten a little bit, but if I do essentially want it to get a little bit more light, I'm gonna have to go back and bleach it. But yeah, I recommend that hair salon over everyone that I've gone to ever. They are a little bit more on the pricey side, but you're paying for all of that. The whole decor inside is so nice. Every single employee, none of them have an attitude or an issue about anything. Like, love it. I'm going to list everything down below in the description box. If you want to check them out, I'll put their Instagram. But yeah, I think I'm going to end the vlog here, because I'm going to go head over to see one of my old time friends. I'm going to go pick him up. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and it wasn't too boring. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Someone just like walked past with their dog, and he's looking at me. Sir, mind your business.